lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, super well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. I am very excited because I have an unboxing for you guys today. And here it be from Sephora. Yes, I certainly do. So if you guys want to see what's in my box, keep on watching. So guys, I did a bit of shopping from Sephora and I picked up a few things from Fashion Fair because I think Fashion Fair is all the rage now. It's all over YouTube. A lot of people are talking about Fashion Fair. Fashion Fair has been around for such a long time and it's such an amazing brand. And I think now is a good time to really come back, rebrand, and everything that they came out with is all vegan. It's so amazing. So I do have a few things in my box. I got this from Sephora. I tried to order from the Fashion Fair online, but for some reason they weren't shipping to Canada for some reason. I mean, I don't know. But let me just get my scissors and I am going to open up this box and show you guys what's in here. And then I'm going to come back another time doing a demo on these products for you guys. So here we are unboxing right now. I am really excited because, like I said, Fashion Fair has been around for a very long time. All the, the dark skin models, I mean, they did all their makeup back in the day. It was just really amazing, and I'm really glad that they're coming back because, I mean, we're slowly getting out of this lockdown. And it's about time that they, come back and refresh and rebrand everything. So I do have my receipt here. I don't even remember what I got, but let me just show you exactly what's in the box. Of course, everything is nicely packaged from Sephora. And let me just show you the contents of the box. Here we are. Okay, quite full. So the first thing I'm pulling out here for you guys to see is a Fashion Fair. This is the Skin Fix Foundation, and the shade is in Topaz Trophy. Okay, so let me open this up for you guys and show you what this product looks like. First of all, I love the packaging. Let me just show you guys quickly. It says Fashion Fair on there. Really pretty. Lovely box. Okay, so we're just gonna open this up and show you. Oh my God, look at this. Look at how gorgeous. First of all, guys, this video is probably going to be a little bit long because I really want to show you guys these products. Look at the packaging. Gold and white, incredible. And this is the shade right there. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, and wow. I am going to be definitely coming back in the next video to do a demo on these for you guys. And I'm going to tell you, Fashion Fair is such an amazing brand, and they're really good color range for women of color. It is incredible. This is a stick foundation, and again, it is called Topaz. Hope you can see that, Topaz Trophy. Okay, that's the first one. The second one I got here is Brown Sugar Babe, and I think these are the most popular sellers for Fashion Fair. Again, the packaging is just dynamite. Absolutely beautiful. And this is it right here. Hope you guys can see that. So I'm just wondering, so Brown Sugar Babe, let me just see. Yeah, so Brown Sugar Baby is a little bit deeper and this one is a little bit lighter. So I got a couple of shades because I just wanted to make sure that I have the right shade for my skin, because I'm not going to be buying foundations that are too dark for my skin, and I'm not wearing dark foundations on my skin either. So Brown Sugar Babe look a little bit deeper for my skin tone, but I will be testing this out for you guys in the next video. It's just the unboxing today. And again, my loves, the packaging is quite cute. Absolutely incredible, amazing. Love that. Again, so Brown Sugar Babe and Topaz Trophy. Okay. So next I do have the Cream to Powder Foundation, and this is Caramel Fresh. Okay. This is the packaging. Hope you guys can see that. I love the white, beautiful packaging. Really nice. What a fantastic way to come back. Fashion Fair, amazing. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at how gorgeous this is. Look at the packaging, guys. really, really sweet. Beautifully embossed, and this is the back of it right there. Really pretty. And it has the sponge to the back. Oh my god, the packaging is cute. Look at that. It is just stunning. Oh my goodness. And this is Caramel Fresh. This is a cream to powder foundation. Let me bring that close. The light might be affecting the shade. This is it right there. Very, very pretty. I don't want to put my hand in it at all. Oh my god. It is so pretty, the packaging. I cannot get over it. And again, the cream to powder foundation is Caramel Fresh. It's going to be in the description box for you guys, so not to worry. So next I do have, this is a pressed powder, and this is Enchanting Amber. Again, beautiful packaging, nice and white and gold. Okay. And ooh, holy smoke, Fashion Fair. Oh my god. I don't want to blind you. There we go. So there is a plastic over it so I can put my hand on top, and you can use this as a setting powder, I think, as well. I do love the white and gold detail. It is so pretty, so attractive, so absolutely gorgeous. Wow. This is a pressed powder and it's called Enchanting Amber. The packaging is just beautiful. Ah, congratulations, Fashion Fair, you've outdone yourself. So next I do have, this is a Fabulous Priming Serum. Again, beautiful white and gold packaging. And we're just going to open this. Oh my. Look at how beautiful this is. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, let me put a little bit of this on my hand. Oh, and it's like a peachy color. You see that? You may not be able to see it. It's like a peach color. Wow. I don't think it has a scent to it. And it's all vegan, eh guys? This is all vegan. Oh my god, it feels so soft on the skin. This is amazeballs. This is absolutely amazing. I love the packaging, guys. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And last but not least, what else do I have here? This is the Set It Loose Powder. And this is in the shade Truly Tawny. So let me just get my little scissors and open the tape. And here we be. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ah. So this is the setting powder. And this one here is the face powder. I don't want to confuse you guys, okay? So this is the finishing face powder right here that I just showed you guys. And this is the setting powder. This looks like a really good fit to my skin. Really, really, really lovely. Oh my god, really nice. It's almost like between orangey color and like a peach. I'm so excited I can't even speak. Great for dark skin tone, and I'm sure when you highlight under your eyes it's going to look so amazing. This is just so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me just see if I can use some of this on my face right now. Let me just try to open up the plastic. It smells really nice. Let me just see. Yeah, this seems to be a really nice setting powder, and it sets nicely into your skin. I'm just using a little bit of this from the top. Let me just see. I'm not wearing any concealer, so you probably won't see it. But it definitely matched my skin. It definitely did. This is really, really nice. I think I'm going to like this. I am really going to love these products from Fashion Fair. And let me just put the cover back on. The packaging is just so lovely. white and gold. So I'm going to leave everything that I got from Fashion Fair in the description box for you guys. And the next video you guys are going to see from me, I'm going to be testing and wearing or applying one of the foundations for you guys. So it's a 2-stick foundation, Topaz Trophy and Brown Sugar Babe, and a creamed powder foundation in Caramel Fresh. So I thought I should just try to get one of each of these just in case one doesn't fit my skin. You can use one for a highlight, I guess. I mean, I don't know. But the products are amazing, and I'm really happy that I jumped on the bandwagon and got a few things from Fashion Fair. I am so excited to use these products. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys had a chance to catch up and pick up a few, not to catch up, but to catch up with what's happening with Fashion Fair, but to pick up a few things from their brand. Just relaunched. It's all vegan, beautiful for dog ladies. It's absolutely incredible, and I have a feeling these products from Fashion Fair is going to be knocking some of the top brands off the chain. I have a feeling, because these products looks absolutely amazing. So on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Bye.